history of medicine is a fascinating journey through humanity's attempts to understand and combat illness. It intertwines with the evolution of science, philosophy, and culture, reflecting the dynamic relationship between humans and their environments. This essay will explore the milestones and transformations in medical practices from ancient times to the modern era. Ancient medicine, prehistoric medicine. In prehistoric times, medicine was deeply connected with religion, magic, and the environment. Archaeological evidence, such as trepanation, drilling holes in the skull, suggests early attempts to treat ailments. Illness was often attributed to supernatural forces, and shamans or healers played a pivotal role in society, using rituals, herbs, and charms to cure patients. Medicine in Mesopotamia and Egypt. In Mesopotamia, ca. 3000 BCE, medicine was a combination of practical and spiritual practices. Babylonian tablets reveal remedies made from plants, minerals, and animal products. The Code of Hammurabi, ca. 1750 BCE, provided regulations for physicians and outlined punishments for malpractice, illustrating an early form of medical ethics. In ancient Egypt, medicine was advanced for its time. Papyrus texts such as the Ebers Papyrus, ca. 1550 BCE, contained extensive knowledge about diseases and treatments. Egyptian doctors, often priests, specialized in areas like surgery, dentistry, and gynecology. Their practices included embalming, which contributed to anatomical knowledge. Indian and Chinese medicine. In ancient India, Ayurveda emerged around 1500 BCE as a comprehensive medical system. Rooted in the Vedic texts, it emphasized balance among bodily humors, doshas, and used herbal remedies, surgery, and meditation. Chinese medicine, dating back to at least 2000 BCE, was based on the concepts of yin and yang and the five elements. Texts like the Huangdi Neijing, Yellow Emperor's Inner Canon, laid the foundation for practices such as acupuncture and herbal therapy, emphasizing harmony between humans and the cosmos. Greek and Roman medicine. The Greeks revolutionized medicine by transitioning from supernatural explanations to naturalistic ones. Hippocrates, 460 to 370 BCE, known as the father of medicine, proposed the humoral theory, which held that health depended on the balance of four humors: blood, phlegm, yellow bile, and black bile. His Hippocratic oath remains a cornerstone of medical ethics. In Rome, Galen, 129 to 216 CE, advanced medical knowledge through dissections and experiments, influencing Western medicine for over a millennium. Roman public health initiatives, such as aqueducts, sewers, and baths, reflected an understanding of hygiene and its role in preventing disease. Medieval medicine. The medieval period, 5th to 15th century CE, was marked by a mix of progress and stagnation. The decline of the Roman Empire led to the loss of much medical knowledge in Europe, but the Islamic world preserved and expanded upon ancient texts. Islamic medicine. Islamic scholars like Avicenna, Ibn Sina, and Al-Razi, made significant contributions. Avicenna's Canon of Medicine, written in the 11th century, became a standard medical text in Europe and the Islamic world. Hospitals flourished in cities like Baghdad and Cordoba, emphasizing patient care, specialization, and hygiene. European medicine. In medieval Europe, medicine was heavily influenced by the church. Monasteries served as centers for medical learning and care, and illness was often seen as divine punishment. Universities began emerging in the 12th century, with medical schools in Salerno, Bologna, and Montpellier reviving classical knowledge. During this period, epidemics like the Black Death, 1347 to 1351, devastated populations, highlighting the limitations of contemporary medicine. However, the crisis spurred advancements in public health and epidemiology. The Renaissance and early modern medicine. The Renaissance, 14th to 17th century, marked a rebirth of learning and inquiry, transforming medicine through scientific observation and exploration. Anatomy and physiology. The study of human anatomy flourished with figures like Andreas Vesalius, whose 1543 work, De Humani Corporis Fabrica, corrected Galen's errors through meticulous dissections. His accurate depictions of human anatomy laid the groundwork for modern surgery. Medical innovations. During the 16th and 17th centuries, physicians like William Harvey revolutionized understanding of the circulatory system, proving that blood circulates through the body, pumped by the heart. Advances in chemistry also influenced medicine, as Paracelsus, 1493 to 1541, advocated for the use of minerals and chemicals in treatments, challenging humoral theory. Surgery and public health. Surgery began to improve with the introduction of antiseptics and anesthetics. Public health initiatives gained traction, particularly in response to plagues and urbanization. The scientific revolution and enlightenment. The 17th and 18th centuries brought about a systematic approach to medical science. Empiricism, experimentation, and the scientific method transformed medicine. Microscopy and germ theory. The invention of the microscope by Anton van Leeuwenhoek in the late 17th century opened a new world of microbiology. Observations of microorganisms laid the foundation for germ theory, which would later revolutionize understanding of disease. Vaccination. In 1796, Edward Jenner pioneered the smallpox vaccine using material from cowpox lesions to immunize patients. This breakthrough introduced the concept of immunology and drastically reduced mortality from infectious diseases. Medical education and institutions. Medical education became formalized, with hospitals serving as centers for clinical training. Physicians began focusing on evidence-based practices, gradually abandoning traditional humoral theories. The 19th century, modern medicine emerges. The 19th century was a turning point in medicine, characterized by groundbreaking discoveries and technological advancements. Germ theory and microbiology. Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch provided definitive proof of germ theory, identifying pathogens as the cause of many diseases. Pasteur developed techniques like pasteurization and vaccines for rabies and anthrax, while Koch formulated postulates to link specific microbes to diseases. Surgery and anesthesia. Surgery became safer and more effective with the introduction of anesthesia in the 1840s, e.g. ether and chloroform, and antiseptic techniques pioneered by Joseph Lister. These innovations drastically reduced pain, infection, and mortality. Public health movements. The Industrial Revolution brought challenges like overcrowding and poor sanitation, leading to the rise of public health initiatives. Figures like Edwin Chadwick in Britain advocated for clean water, sewage systems, and better working conditions to prevent disease. Advances in diagnostics. New tools such as the stethoscope, invented by René Laennec in 1816, and X-rays, discovered by Wilhelm Röntgen in 1895, enhanced diagnostic capabilities. The 20th century, medicine transformed. The 20th century witnessed unprecedented progress in medical science, transforming healthcare into the highly specialized and technological field we know today. Antibiotics and vaccines. The discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming in 1928 revolutionized the treatment of bacterial infections, saving millions of lives. Vaccines for diseases like polio, measles, and tetanus eradicated or controlled many infectious diseases. Surgical advances. Surgeons achieved remarkable milestones, including organ transplants, heart surgery, and minimally invasive techniques. The development of blood transfusions and artificial organs further expanded possibilities. Medical imaging and diagnostics. Technological innovations such as CT scans, MRI, and ultrasound revolutionized diagnostics, enabling non-invasive visualization of internal structures. Genetics and molecular biology. The discovery of DNA's structure by Watson and Crick in 1953 launched the field of genetics. Advances in molecular biology led to genetic testing, gene therapy, and the Human Genome Project, completed in 2003. Global health and epidemiology. The 20th century saw efforts to combat global health challenges, including malaria, tuberculosis, and HIV/AIDS. Organizations like the World Health Organization, WHO, played a crucial role in coordinating international health initiatives. The 21st century, challenges and innovations. The 21st century has brought both new challenges and remarkable innovations. Chronic diseases, aging populations, and global pandemics like COVID-19 underscore the need for continuous advancement in medicine. Precision medicine. Tailoring treatments to individual genetic profiles is a growing trend, promising more effective and personalized care. Artificial intelligence and robotics. AI and robotics are transforming diagnostics, surgery, and patient management. AI-powered tools analyze medical data with unprecedented accuracy, while robotic surgery enhances precision and minimizes recovery times. Global health and equity. Efforts to address health disparities and improve access to care remain critical. Vaccination campaigns, telemedicine, and international cooperation are vital in achieving global health equity. Pandemic preparedness. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the importance of rapid response systems, vaccine development, and global collaboration in combating emerging infectious diseases. The history of medicine reflects humanity's resilience, ingenuity, and compassion. From ancient herbal remedies to cutting edge genetic therapies, each era has contributed to our understanding of health and disease. While challenges remain, the progress made thus far inspires confidence in the future of medicine as it continues to evolve in response to humanity's needs.